Very cool. That is the Coleman State Park. Little diamond pond. Nice. Nice place.
That's right, Friday.
Yep.
Look at that. ATV parking in a state park. What is up with this? Don't happen in New York. These people want ATVs. Huh. Well, we're headed towards Sugar Hill now. Had a little bathroom break here. ATV shared road. Alright, we're headed back to Sugar Hill. ATV's welcome. Isn't that something? At a state park. They want you to stop. There's a warming hut, 24-hour gas, food, and parking. ATV rentals. I think the snowmobile trail comes out right there. And that's where they can get warm and stuff like that. That's pretty cool.
You want to lead?
No.
It's pretty self-explanatory.
No, I'm good. I'm good. You're our leader, man. Okay. Headed up to Sugar Hill. Dusty. Man, look how much they ditch these trails. They take the stuff out of the ditch and pile it up in the trail and make a trail. ATVs prohibited. Slow. Up we go, headed up the mountain. Them are the things to prevent washouts. They're like rubber mats stuck in the ground that stick up. Water flows down the hill, it hits that and runs off the side instead of washing all the way down the road and making a big mess. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can see a long ways here, I'll tell you. Look at that.
Hydration Station 2A.
All right. Thank God. Is that the lake we're just at right down there?
That's Diamond Pond.
Check that view out, folks.
I'm sure. I'm sure.
Awesome. You can see forever. And that's the lake down there we were just at, where the state park was, right there.
Yeah.
That is pretty cool.
Boy, I rode a nice wheelie up that hill.
Awesome.
Got in the throttle a little too deep. So you go,
That was tricky.
down, girl, down, girl.
Oh, shit.
When you're
A
holding
little
on,
dust in the back of my
in the
throat.
back, when you're holding on like
Man,
that,
is
it
that
hurts your
beautiful.
arms. Like when you're going up like that, and
This is Sugar Hill?
Everything.
Sugar Hill in Stewartstown, New Hampshire.
Stewartstown, New Hampshire.
2,985.
2,985 feet.
Honey, we're on Shuggy Hill.
How high?
How are you?
Good, you?
Not bad.
Nice day.
These last 2 summers.
It's not much mud right now.
I know, frig, I've never seen the trail up by Beaver get so dry.
Hi, yogurt girl. All right, we're leaving this beautiful view. We're headed to the next one. Look at that. That's just amazing. That's cool. Okay, we're headed to Hydration Station B. I guess it's quite a nice view. There's big old rocks. Lots of dust. Man, there's the windmills right up on top. Holy rocky. Ain't much water on these trails. It's dry up here just like it is back home. This is hydration. This is more like at home.
How'd they get a picnic table up here?
I brought it up with the groomer.
Hey, you told me 5 minutes.
I always overestimate
And the mileage.
Well, no, the mileage is correct. We got to prorate it because the tires are
Here we are, another view. We just rode about 2 minutes for this view. There is the windmills up on there. It is like dead, no wind at all, breeze, nothing up here today. So windmills aren't even moving. But man, it's just beautiful.
Hey, there's no wind. Those windmills are not going. Hey, we got massive signals.
Honey, honey.
Thank you. I was just checking.
I got 3 bars.
You do?
Look at that.
Yay. The windmill, oh, they're turning a little bit now. That's where we're headed, up there. So, mount up, Mounties. We're headed downhill. Here we go. Man, look at that. That is beautiful. Nice. Nice and dusty too. Yeah, they must have used an excavator here and scraped all this over to make this trail off them rocks. They put a lot of work into these trails, I'll tell you that. It's awesome. Look at that. Is that trunk yeah, we latched it, right? Yeah, there ain't even enough wind to turn the windmills today. Electric company's going broke. They ain't getting no electricity. They're gonna up our bill now. So I like these engine brakes. I just come down that hill and I really didn't even have to use a brake on these Can-Ams. They work really good.
Alright, well, unfortunately this trail's closed. I don't know how it would be with the wife on the back, but
That's the more direct one, but that's double black diamond.
temporarily closed. Alert! This trail is very challenging, intended for experienced riders. Damn.
Janelle's an experienced rider.
She's a, yeah.
You know how to lean.
Now, well.
Lean to the left, lean to the right.
Cool.
Well, she's closed. We'll have to wait till another year. Onward we go. Pretty woods out through there, that's for sure. What the hell kind of tree? Maples. A lot of maple here. Look like, no, them are yellow birch. A lot of yellow birch. Yellow birch and maple. Some white birch. Wow, looks like some logging here. Check this out. Oh yeah. It's like all hardwood. Yeah, that's a skidder. Firewood. Logs. Renewable resource right there. Nice. Man, they got that place friggin' clear cutted. A little bit of everything there for wood. Man, it smells good even. You can smell the wood. They're logging her. They're even leaving a few trees, but not many. There's a pond or a lake right there. North Pond, it said, that sign. I think it said North Pond. Roaring Brook. Junction. It's a junction. Nice little spot. Nice.
Like that?
That's beautiful. Yep.
We basically came down to that gap.
Right down through there, yeah. Cool. Uh-oh, there's some logging trucks. Got a load of logs. I don't know what that's for. Looks like a lot of yellow birch. More logging. Big skidders were just right back there. Look at that, there's a buzzsaw. That's a big ass buzzsaw right there. Alright, well there's the windmills I guess we're going after up on that hill right there. Looks like still quite a ride yet. Ah, there they are. Way up there. Still look like they're a long ways away.
There's the notch. What kind of notch? Pittsburg notch here.
Man, a lot of spruce trees up here. Man, there's some rocky section. Must have blasted the rock out of here or something. Or a big excavator, a bull prick or something. There's a windmill. I think we're almost there. My ears are popping like mad now. Look at that. Holy schmolies. Camera, don't dive me now.
Tried reaching the summit. I guess last year they would let them up there, but this year it's prohibited.
Love it. But you
Well,
can't
there's the
buy it
windmills. We only got a
anywhere.
couple hundred yards. We'd be at the summit where the view, I
Actually,
guess,
if you
is
go up to
beautiful,
The Krogan meat market.
but it won't happen.
It's a lot cheaper.
But
We should do that. Take a
Summit.
ride down
the
there
alert
Sunday.
trail,
Get some
this is
Krogan
the other end of
line.
it, the one I showed you
Jeez.
earlier, or Han showed us. Pretty cool.
Hans is our fearless leader,
Yep.
Oh God.
and he's
Save
been
us.
fearless today.
Spit on it.
We're
and
up on
go.
the mountain. It's pretty quiet up here today.
All right, well, we're gonna leave this beautiful view. We're gonna head back down the hill. We couldn't quite get up to where we wanted to, where the real good view was, but safety comes first. Right, Janelle? All right, we're headed back down. Look at that. Oh my God, is that beautiful. We should have stopped there. That was 49 miles at the top of that. That's where we're at. Just about 49 miles we covered today. And these are pretty woods out here. I think we're out in the boonies pretty good right now. Stop sign. One lane. Stop and watch for others. Stay on trail or stay home. A lot of those signs. We're on the tracks. Connecticut River's on our left. We're headed back to Beecher Falls. $79.7 miles. 79.7.
Yeah. Alright, we're trying to clear our lungs from the ride today. But it was a good ride. We went 78 miles. We figured with my little bit bigger tires, it was probably closer to 90 miles today, so it was a good day. Wife survived, she just got a shower. I'm eating my sunflower seeds. tomorrow morning, we pack up. We're headed for Maine. Down to Carthage, Rocky Mountain Train Park. So, see what happens. Gotta get up in the morning, get stuff packed up, cleaned up. We're gonna cook some steaks here in a few minutes. And get generator fired up. Hell yeah. My ears are still plugged. I had an ear infection earlier in the week. And they're plugged, it sucks. But, well, get dinner cooked and eat. Have a little fire tonight. Sounds good to me. Alright, check this out. Hans broke out his freezer. Look at the freaking steaks, man. We're gonna eat freaking good tonight, I can tell you that. And also have one of them scrubby ass hamburgers over there. We're having steak.